Hey friends, how's you all? Hope you all are doing really well. Guess what? I recently received my gift from Bon Pity, which I recently won in one of their giveaway. Let's check it out how they work. Well, they are nail cushion pens and they are actually beautiful. Well, we all are tired of complex process in nail design. And that's why I would like to introduce an amazing and magic product from Bon Pity. These pens are cute and in fact they are easy to avoid the disadvantage of easy to fly of traditional powder. I guess it helps you to make the biggest use of your product. Let's check it out. What's the difference? These mirror chrome pens has a definite color, which you can see as a pigment. Bon Pity have stunning color collection of these pens. As I have seen in their video, they actually create smooth metallic mirror finish on nails in the easiest way ever. So I'm really excited to use them. Well, these chrome sticks uses revolutionary air cushion that allows you to glide and spread its chrome powder on your nails and create a perfectly smooth finish. It's super easy to use and beginner friendly and creates a high shine mirror like effect. This is the soft cushion, which is the speciality of this pen, and it's actually very attractive. This is the must-have beauty tool for any occasion, whether you're attending a party, a birthday or a social event. I guess you can create any design from them anytime on any occasion. As chrome nails always look stunning even on short nails and on long nails. The quality it is having is actually prominent. Because these chrome nail sticks is made for multi-use, I guess it can be applied with all the gels, soak off gel, nail polish, poly gel and lots more. When layering chrome powder on different nail polish agents, it will also create a different effect. I just wanted to know the difference, that how it works on black nail paint and white nail paint. So here I am checking it out. As I am using black nail gel paint from Bon Pity, so I have to cure it for 60 seconds. And if you are using a normal nail polish, then you don't have to cure it. You can just apply your chrome powder directly on it. To check how to use these nail chrome pens in the easiest way possible, just you have to clean the nail surface, apply base coat and let it dry. Apply the chrome powder using the air cushion pens applicator. Repeat this step until you are satisfied with the effect. After that, you can seal it with top coat. And if you are using a gel top coat, then again you have to cure it for 60 seconds. Just like the way I am doing right now. I have to cure it for 60 seconds because I use gel nail paints over here. Right now I am showing you #3 that how it works on black nail gel paint and on white nail gel paint. It's really convenient to use because you don't need to press it hard to apply it. It simply glide and spread its chrome powder on your nails and create a perfect smooth finish. Maybe that's the reason it is called as a beginner friendly. At first I thought that the powder itself was in the rod, but then I realized on the contrary it is in the cap. Wow, it is actually mesmerizing to see the glitter powder transforms into a solid and shiny surface. I am actually thankful to Bon Pity for these both the shades, because these both shades are really pretty. Isn't it a soothing process to watch, as even in a few seconds the beautiful metallic shine you got is actually and highly appreciable. as I actually wanted to compare these traditional nail powder with these nail air cushion powder pen. So I'm taking one of my old traditional nail powder, and what I discovered is traditional nail box powder need brush, and these traditional nail box powder will fly everywhere. See how they're creating a mess. And these traditional nail box powder is easy to leak. Even it need a lot of pressure to provide this chrome effect on the nails. Whereas you can see these nail air cushion powder pens never requires any kind of brush. In fact, these pen powders won't fly anywhere. And these pens are not easy to leak. They are easy to carry out. What do you think, guys? Are you all satisfied with the points I've shared here? Write in the comment section and share your thoughts. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Love you all. Take care, stay safe and stay connected. God bless you. See you in the next video soon.